Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing up squeezing. AC cool, said I'm doing up sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing up teasing. More up a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice now, you don't know say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have, I'm not even on the video bro, we have 917 rocks. Or 917 rocks. Now, because I did 2 New York drill videos, bro, and I enjoyed them. And then I heard like 5 seconds of this, and this nigga is using "You didn't want the first fight, I'm into you." You understand? I was like, fam, I have to listen to this, dog. And so I'm going to react to it. So if it's lit, you're gonna see this reaction. If it's not lit, you ain't gonna see this. But you don't know. Yeah, click my links in the description, gaming channel, music channel, Instagram, and like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into this shit, man. Let's see if this nigga is holding up the torch like the previous 2 videos. Check out my little TJ, Not in a Mood reaction with 504 and K-Flock. You see me? Jump in night.
Cause after all this time,
I'm still into you.
Racks.
I should be over it.
But bro, let it fly. She know I'm a demon. Look in my eyes. She like racks. And I creep on they block every night. Take my order to Neiman, we tryna get fly. She like racks, racks, racks. But bro, let it fly. I'm on to you. Get on racks, racks. And I creep on they block every night. Racks, racks, racks. Can't fake it. Came from the mug, got so far. Can't break it. Don't give a fuck, I know hard. She asked if I love her, I sent out a roll.
Ah, nah, but I wish she was singing in when she was singing her part as well. But bro, you hear this? Fam, nah, I have to pull it up, fam. The sample and the beat alone, bro, this is lit.
Every night. Take
What on there? I was so quick as that? No, sir, go back.
Cause after all this time, I'm still into you.
racks.
I should be over it.
But bro, let it fly. She know I'm a demon. Look in my eyes. She like racks. And I creep on they block every night. Take my order to Neiman, we tryna get fly. She like racks, racks, racks. But bro, let it fly. Get on racks, racks. And I creep on they block every night.
I'm on to you.
Racks, racks, racks. Can't fake it. Came from the mug, got so far. Can't break it. Don't give a fuck, I know hard. She asked if I love her, I sent out a roll. But after all this time,
Oh shit.
I'm still hunting the ops that with sticks. Hunting the ops that with flicks. Looking for broke killer, who you with? All of my bros drillers with the shit. What's the issue? Since you on call, who the fuck you commit to? What can I say, baby boy? I miss you. Yeah. I'm still boom, boom. I'm still but look. But bro, let it fly. She know I'm a demon. Look in my eyes. She like
Alright, you see, for the rapping part, I don't, when people try to rap over samples that have vocals in it, it don't really work because it sounds like 2 people talking at the same time. But I don't know, bro. So for this, I can't even hear what he say when he was rapping, but I'm telling you, bro, the sample and the fucking beat, disgusting.
looking for broke killer, who you with? All of my bros drillers with the shit. What's the issue? Since you on call, who the fuck you commit to? What can I say, baby boy? I miss you. Yeah. I'm still boom, boom. I'm still but look. But bro, let it fly. She know I'm a demon. Look in my eyes. She like rock. And I creep on they block every night. Take my order to Neiman, we tryna get fly. She like rock, rock.
Oh man, I like this stuff. See, I have no idea what the nigga said right there, bro. Why? Cause that shit was just too loud. I'm on to you. I've been through the worst time. I'm on to you. Oh man. And these niggas say they got bodies, but these niggas ain't got no bodies at all. I don't know. Anyways, man, listen, man. 917 Rocks, still on to you, bro. I told you from I heard the sample and the beat, I have to react to this, and it was lit. Even though it's 5 minutes, I don't give a fuck, man. Best type of reactions is short and nice. Yeah, short and sweet. You see me? Big up 917 Rocks, still on to you. One thing. If you're going to do a next sample like this with, you know, a girl singing in the background, when it's your time to rap, just let them filter out her vocals so your voice can project more. You understand? Just little music things. You know, I am saying, and big. You see me? So big up 917 Rock, still on to you. Big up you if you watch this. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Tell me what you want me to say on the channel. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Yes.
Yeah. Cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, know for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.